Hey groomers, just wanted to show you how to wrap a cord on your clippers. These cords are expensive and we want them to last. And if you're moving around a lot, this will help you out a lot too if you do it. I'll show you a couple cord techniques, hints, I don't know, but here we go. So got this cord, it's kind of in a mess. First thing I'm gonna do is just make sure there are no knots in it. You could start at either end, just be careful that you don't drop your clipper off your workbench. So yeah, there's a big knot in here. So, yep, just gonna fish it out. And this might just be my OCD, but this little crap here, these little hairballs that get wrapped around your cord, I just take a screwdriver or something, a pokey thing. Usually works better with the flat head, and I pick them off, just kind of cut them off. I don't use a razor because I'm afraid of cutting the cord, but yeah, it popped right off. So next thing is I'm going to take the box and lay it on the ground. Never drop these boxes on the ground, and if your outlet is on the wall, get an extension cord to make it go down to the ground, or a surge protector, because you don't want them hitting the ground. They could break open, and there's a lot of the brains of your clipper in that. So, but anyway, I'm gonna do like how you would wrap in an electrical cord or a water hose. You have both hands like this. So clipper's up here, both hands like this, thumbs facing up. Pull one out, make a loop. I'm gonna turn my left hand around back and make an inside loop, like that. It's called the over-under. There are other videos on YouTube. You can Google just over-under wrapping a cord technique. And the easiest way to explain it is you kind of pinch, twist in, roll over, put your hand the opposite way, roll in, and just keep doing that until you have your cord all wrapped up. And then for my customers, I just go like this and wrap a zip tie rubber band around it. And this way the cord won't have any knots in it or whatnot when they get it back. So, I also said I'd give you some other tips. A lot of these clippers come with a baler. This one doesn't have it on it. So, you don't want to hang your clipper by the baler because the wires break right here. So it's insulated, and a lot of times the wire hangs like this when you're working because it's hung up by the baler. If your clipper's hung like this, you don't want it like that because it will break here. And these cords aren't cheap, 45 to 55 bucks. Right now you can't even get one. It's November 16th, 2020. Can't get them. So if you hang your clipper by the baler, put another hook up top to relieve the pressure off this area. But I recommend buying those little cups that your clipper actually sits the right way like this, and it goes right on the wall. It's not upside down. And you can buy them off Amazon for under 10 bucks. So that's what I would recommend. If you have any questions, let me know. All right.